This section is within tolerance.
Good. This part matches the spec.
All right, next assembly.
Ready.
Up and clear, steady now. Good lift, guide it right. All right, ease it up on the left. Copy that, holding steady. Alignment looks good, secure it.
How's the polish looking on your side? It's smoothing out. Check the finish now. Looks good. Let's move down the panel.
Check the intake alignment. Confirmed. Taking notes. Light shows no anomalies. Photo logged. Moving to next panel.